Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop today. A treat especial from beyond the seas. A 9.5 millimeter square drive rachete made in Japan. How does every Japanese joke start? With looking over your shoulder. This is one of my favorite tools. It's a beautiful, come on man, come on. Don't embarrass me in front of the guys. There we go. Thank you, camera. Beautiful leather handled breaker bar with bronze tips. And I add a little, get right in there. It's not very often used. I'm kind of babying it, to be frank with you. I'm off the snap-on. A local dealer is a slime bag, so I'm out. Strictly because my local guy was a slime bag to me. Here we have a new Nepros Next. Look at this. Look at this. Cork. From a tree. A genuine grown on trees cork. Now this would all be bundled up with some rubber and then routed out, but at the center some binder of some sort. At the same time, I might even keep this one. I think it's a conspiracy with Big Toolbox to make all those silhouette foam cutouts. It just takes up a lot more room in your box. I might even keep this one. Rubbery, or should I say lubber. Actually, I gotta look over my shoulder. That reminds me of a joke. What's a Japanese politician's favorite day? Erection day. Not only have they nipped the corners, but it's substantially tighter on the 3/8 drive than any of the high-end competitors. 1 inch across. 25.4 millimeters for you continental types. And the fap off. 50 thou shy of 1 1/4 inches. And the Mac just over 1 1/8 inches. Oh my God, fine. You know, for being the metric master race, you sure carry on a lot about it. 30. It's all what you learned in school, I know. So it's okay, it's okay. It's gonna be okay. Tell the nice lady where the king's foot hurt you. 15 millimeters tick on the snap-on. 600 thou. 54, which is 14 on the Mac. Well, pretty thick. 14, which is the same as the snap-on. Oh, maybe a little less, my mistake. 60 thou over a 1/2 inch. And the Mac being the closest competitor girth-wise to the teeny tiny Next XOG by Kyoto Tools. They have a museum in Kyoto for tools. Pretty cool, I think. Fap off, the brand what shall remain nameless. Girthy like an old nasty tuna can. Won't hit the bottom, sure will tear the shit out of the sides. At the risk of gushing, this really is a beautiful tool. Chrome vanadium, drop forged, and then finished. A CNC machine, you'll look at that. Skeletonized, round where you cup your fingers and then straight across the top. Round, I actually prefer the screwdriver handle ones. I got a soft spot for these screwdriver handled ones, mainly because it doesn't freeze your hand, and also, you know, you're reefing a little bit just to break a fastener, and it doesn't cut into your hand, but it gives you a nasty little pressure point. Although, oui, ça se lave, mais après un petit bout de temps, ça s'en vient tout baillé. C'est un peu dégueulasse, hein? C'est pas comme ça. Oh, c'est beau. C'est beau en tabarnak, mon vieux. Satin finish, not the full chrome polish. And recall the last Nepros ratchet I got. It was all rough up in here. Well, they fixed that. Let's see what the gears look like. I don't know if you heard that, but that was the song of my people. Robertson. We got some little parts in there. Metal injection molded. A little spring and plunger. That is a beautiful gear. Well formed. Or machined, rather. Even the ball release is nicely machined and electroplated. These guys don't mess around. They make nice tools, man. Look at how sharp that is. That dog or ratchet. That would be the pawl, ratchet pawl. Look at how sharp those are. The forming is impeccable. Listen, I gleefully step onto that rape wagon. Stop, this is a robbery. Take all my money. But look at the gear. Look at the difference. Shot out of a machine, one carefully, gingerly loved. Here are the basil platens, one made in J.A. Penn. It's thicker, stiffer. Stiffer? Don't tell my wife. It's better. I used to have a bit of a problem with the Fap-Off when they first come out. The fasteners weren't big enough, and then I'd tweak that basil platen over, and the gears would chew up. I had to change that. There was an upgrade kit for the head of those. Calez, ça c'est un outil de beau outil. That's it. That's all on white highball. I'll translate that. Thank you very much. The fellas, engineers, machinists, finishers, put this together. Designers. It's a beautiful tool. Discretion being the better part of valor. I need to withhold judgment until I actually use the Jesus thing, but sitting here now in the presence of glory, I think I'm gonna like it. So thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice.